ready to see an AI creating other AIs? Imagine you want to create an AI, like a dating advisor or a bot that talks about New York restaurants, for example, or even a mini version of Duolingo, but you don't know anything about programming, not even HTML, JavaScript, nothing at all. With Deep Agent, you don't have to. You just describe what you want and that's it. It creates everything for you. That's right, everything, even the website. Shall we see how this works? But first, I just ask that you give this video a like. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time a new video is published. Deal? So, let's get started. Deep Agent is an agent that lives inside the Abacus AI platform. It takes your idea and turns it into a complete application. With a super smart chatbot that can respond using your own data, documents, spreadsheets, whatever you want. And the best part is that it automatically generates a website with this bot already embedded. That's right. You just click, type, and suddenly you have an app and a website ready to use. Let's look at an example before we create our own websites together here, okay? Look, this site here was made with Deep Agent, and it's basically an interactive guide to New York's cuisine. You ask about restaurants by clicking here on Get Recommendations. Ask about the restaurants. Here are the best restaurants in New York. And the bot answers instantly, even giving prices and other important details. And you know what's even more amazing? This can be adapted to any topic, and if you want to use your own data, you can. If you want to pull things from Google Drive, you can do that too. Deep Agent can work with any database and create specific bots for anything. Dating, therapy, finance, weather, celebrity gossip. No, not friends gossip. Let's make some websites and apps together so you can see how it works. Click the link I'll leave in the description and also in the pinned comment. Click here on Deep Agent, and down here, you already have some shortcuts you can use to create what you want. You can create apps, short videos, AI chatbots, integrations. By clicking here on More, there are other options you can explore. I've already made some videos explaining how to make other videos, AI avatars, and so on. Now let's create a chatbot advisor. For love, I wrote here for it to create a love advice chatbot. And here it asks me a few questions. What would be my main target audience? What kind of love advice would you like the chatbot to offer? What tone do you prefer for the chatbot? Would you like the chatbot to have any specific expertise or particular knowledge about relationships? After answering these questions, it starts working on our website. And then, it starts researching relationship advice and saves the results. You can watch it programming here, step by step. Here, it opened this page for me with the results of what it was searching for and started showing what it's doing in this side section. Here, it said that the chatbot was already ready and asked if I wanted to embed the chatbot in an existing website or if I wanted to create a new site that includes this chatbot. I said I wanted to create a new website. All done. Our website is ready. Look how cool it is. Here it shows the credits that were used. And here on the side is our finished website. A love advisor. Look, it put here Heart Advisor. This is the desktop view, and this is how it would look on a mobile phone. That's it then. Here are the types of advice offered, and how it works. There are even real stories of transformation and growth in relationships. And then, it talks about privacy and confidentiality. Isn't that cute? If you want to start chatting with the chatbot, click on Chat Now and type any question you want. It's advice about love. If you click here, it will already start responding and chatting with you. How charming, right? Now, I asked it to create a mini app in the style of Duolingo. It asked me a few questions. Which language would you like the app to teach? I entered the languages I wanted. What is the base language? I said it would be Portuguese. The features. Which resources would you like to include? I added vocabulary lessons, grammar, translation exercises, and a point system. How many difficulty levels? Beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I selected all of them. Types of exercises. Multiple choice. Fill in the blanks. Translation, audio. And it's working here to create this app. Let's see how it turns out. Look how cute. This mini Duolingo app. 3 languages, because I asked for 3. You can ask for more. Point system, varied exercises, item 8. On the phone. It looks like this. You type your name. Start now. You choose the language you want, a bit of Spanish. You choose how to start, vocabulary, phrases, grammar. Beginner level. Basic. Here you choose vocabulary. Learn new words. Audio exercise. Look, you play the audio here and type what you heard. Check. Perfect. You heard it correctly. And it goes on like this. How cute, right? Now, I asked it to create an AI bot about climate change. He asked who my target audience would be. I said it would be the general public. What kind of specific information about climate change should the bot provide? I put scientific data, sustainability tips, environmental policies. Should the bot have any special features? I wrote, answer questions, provide reports, give personalized recommendations. And I said that I don't have any specific data sources that I would like the bot to use as its knowledge base. Now let's watch it work here and see what it will create for us. And it's ready. Our site here, EcoClima Brazil, an educational portal about climate change with scientific information, sustainable tips, and specialized artificial intelligence. Point 1. Explore science. Chat with the AI. Data that matters. Current global warming. Necessary reduction. Look how cool. It's all complete. And any questions you want to ask, just come here and chat with the AI. If you want to explore science, it's right here. Lots of scientific data, main causes. A fully complete site. Really cool, right? I've already shown it here, but it's worth remembering that Deep Agent also creates documents, apps, and presentations. Here's that celebrity style app, Hot or Not, made by Deep Agent. Working perfectly. It also creates detailed research reports, with charts, images, everything nicely done. It also makes PowerPoint presentations with various charts, videos, everything neatly organized for you. It can also browse the internet and perform any task. Here, the Deep Agent operator is buying airline tickets, choosing flights, and everything else. The basic plan costs $10 a month. You can create up to 3 applications per month. The Pro plan costs another $10, so $20 in total. And you can create about 25 applications per month, depending on what you want to make. But you can already have some fun with the basic plan to test it out. If you always wanted to create something with AI but thought you needed to be a programmer for that, you can forget it. Now you just have to go to the website, describe your idea, and watch the magic happen. Click here on this card to stay even more up to date and learn everything about artificial intelligence.